Hello everyone, welcome again for a new tutorial. Actually today I am talking about how to convert from Excel file to dot file. Actually today video is very important for using the Windows software. So in the Windows software, this software we need to convert the Excel file to dot file. So that's why I'm making this video, and today video I will dedicate to the Ali Bhai from Pakistan and Mustafa bro from Somalia. So let's start. At first I need to open the Excel file. My Excel file is here in the new folder. So this is the Excel file. Maximum time you're facing the big problems of change the data from Excel to the dot file, because that time we need some value here. So that's why we need to follow some paths. So at first we have to save as from Excel to CSV file. Here is the CSV file. At first we have to try to the comma delimited. Then normally we can save our data by comma delimited. So like the example of the data environment 1, I can save it. Yeah, it's working. Sometimes it's not working. So if this is not working, then you can change the save as from the CSV, from the comma delimited to the CSV MS close. This is working. If the first one is not working, the CSV comma delimited is if not working, then must CSV and CSUS will work. So it's two. Let's do the okay, and here we see the two file, the first one, second one. Then we have to open the CSV file to we go to the open with CSV file to the notepad, because here have tricks to convert the data. Then go to the file and save it. Then we have to change that file, the save as the type. Here the all file, and here we have to just write down a little word.dat, and if we save, so here we can see to make the dot file. So that's all today for the video, and thank you for watching my videos. And if you face any problems about that, just comment your problems, and I will try to help you in next time. Thank you.
Like this.